Hi, my name is Kendra Cromwell and I am a Wyoming native. I've been here all my life. I am a hairstylist at Classic Contours. We also offer body waxing, coloring, haircuts, everything. I choose to stay in Wyoming because of the small community and the small school systems. For the kids, I feel like they get better attention and better learning in a smaller group of children. And my family is here. We like to take advantage of the stuff going on in the community. We definitely do a lot of sports and activities, anything going on around town to support the small local owned businesses. We choose Cheyenne because it's a wonderful place to raise our family.